you know this story? Have you ever heard this? Yeah, this story is about legend of Tanjung Kodok. Long time ago, there was Lamongan fisherman who loved the daughter of a respected dignitary from Bawean Island, Gresik. When the fisherman visited Bawean Island to sell his fish, he met the girl. Over time, their relationship is known by the girl's father. He noticed the relationship and threatened to kill the fisherman. However, they remained the relationship secretly until the girl pregnant. The girl's father was so embarrassed and furious. Why are you such a dirty child? I was so ashamed to have a daughter like you. I'm sorry, Dad. I'm so sorry. But I love him so much, Dad. The girl's father became more furious, and suddenly, what like a curse came out of the father's mouth. How fool you are! You'd better be a frog! Immediately, the beautiful girl turned into a frog. Hearing the news, the fisherman becomes sad. Since that, he has always been alone on the beach. One day, one full moon, he was visited by a frog. The frog then turned into a girl who became his lover. He nervously asked, "Oh, are you my lover?" "Yes, I am. I miss you so much, my love. I'm pregnant and will give birth to your child. I want to give birth beside you." That day has come. The fisherman lovingly held the bird. But after seeing what was born, the lover, oh, he was so disappointed. Yeah, his lover has given birth to a frog. The fisherman was angry because the baby was not human. As if possessed by an evil spirit, he sought to his lover. "You have given birth to a demon child!" The fisherman then strangled his lover's neck. Suddenly, a baby frog bit the fisherman's neck. Feeling the pain, the fisherman released his stronghold. And at the same time, the wind was blowing so hard. Rain heavily accompanied thunder's thunder. Tar! Tar! The fisherman body shrank and turned into a frog. His body slowly became stiff, then chained to the rock. Yeah, that's all story about the legend of Tanjung Kodok. The moral value of this story is don't be a rebellious child and be a responsible person. That's all for me. Thank you very much for your attention. Last I say, bye bye.